Have you ever thought about things beyond our world, further than Earth, further than the solar system? Did you ever think about the universe, its origin, its mysteries, things that were so difficult that never had a real answer to it? You see that these questions about the universe are way too complex to be answered. Questions such as, what was it like before the start of the universe, or how will the universe end? Questions like these were never answered by anyone in the history of humanity. However, there are some scientists who spend their time investigating just these kinds of questions, like Albert Einstein or Edwin Hubble. They didn't get exact answers, but they did give us possible answers such as the Big Bang and the ultimate fate of the universe. Everything has its own story, including the universe. The story is very complicated and still not identified if it's completely accurate. Everything started with what we so-called Big Bang. The Big Bang happened about 13.8 billion years ago, which means that's when the universe started. The Big Bang is only one of the possibilities to the beginning of the universe. There are also other possibilities too. But the Big Bang has recently been the most accepted and the most possible answer to this question. The Big Bang theory started with Albert Einstein. The theory came from Einstein's model of the universe, general relativity. This model also included a lot of other theories Einstein came up with. He imagined the Big Bang as a point and then getting bigger and bigger. Soon it couldn't hold itself anymore, so it exploded. This is what many people think of as the birth of the universe, since it's the time when our universe officially entered the laws of physics we know. But the Big Bang is not the only way the universe might have started. Andrew Lind and his colleagues hypothesized that the Big Bang might not happen. Instead of the Big Bang, it was like many miniature Big Bangs that came together and formed the universe. After the Big Bang, the universe started expanding rapidly. This, we are pretty sure, happened. This is called the expansion of the universe. The universe started growing at a remarkable speed. The universe was also very hot at the beginning. The ultimate fate of the universe is something that hasn't happened yet. There are many types of theories and some aren't even a real ending. Let's start with the most simple one. This one doesn't quite end. The universe is expanding at an accelerating speed. This made scientists hypothesize that the universe will actually end up in never-ending expansion. This means that the universe will never stop expanding, so at that time, the galaxies will be so big that they're about the size of the universe. There are other theories too. These include the Big Crunch, the Big Freeze, Big Rip, and the Big Bounce. These theories will end the universe for real, but let's not get into too many theories for now. There are also serious threats that may happen to the universe. These include the Big Slurp. The Big Slurp is a serious threat, but it cannot end the universe. The Big Slurp is a false vacuum that may turn into a real vacuum any moment. Now that we know the story of our universe, how did we figure it out? Scientists have many tools to measure the universe. The earliest kind is a telescope. Now that we have more technology, there are more tools that we can use. The tools that we use are more advanced now. We still use telescopes, but they are just more complex and useful. So, if we know what scientists use to study the universe, how do they share their results? Scientists have three main ways to share their findings, starting with the most common one, putting their results into a peer-reviewed paper that are ready for some other scientists to read. Another way is to share their findings at a conference where others can listen to you. The last way is to publish your findings in the popular media. The story of our universe is outstanding. Although we're not sure if we're right, our universe will still be a mystery to us after thousands of years.